Hello friends, the topic of today's discussion is 5 tips to make your home-based business not appear homemade. Making it appear as though we are not really working from home is one of the most difficult challenges we encounter when doing so. It does not seem professional when clients call and there are children crying, pets barking and mewing, and laundry and cooking timers going off in the background. How can we therefore come across as more competent? So let's talk about it. Tip number 1, have a clean professional website with your own domain name. Have a free website hosted on a different domain name that is covered in advertisements from other businesses under no circumstances. The biggest no-no there is this. Instead, make the decision that you need to spend money on a good website to appear credible. If you don't have any experience creating websites, hire someone to do it for you or trade services with another person who runs a home-based business. Select a domain name that is quite similar to the name of your company. Number 2, invest in a separate phone line or in a distinctive ringtone for that line. More phone companies offer a package that enables you to have 2 or more numbers ring to one phone line simultaneously and with unique tones. A second phone line at your office is typically preferable if you want to prevent client calls after business hours. By doing this, you can also close the door on work when you are not around. Make sure your voicemail and answering machine messages are professional and listen to them frequently. Tip number 3, think about how to display your business address. How will your geographic location be shown? Numerous alternatives are accessible. To deter customers from dropping in while they are still in their pajamas and before their morning coffee, the majority of home-based business owners will state that they accept meetings only by appointment. Other choices include utilizing a PO box or adding a suite number to your location if you don't want your clients to know you operate from home. A PO box offers anonymity and deters drop-in guests, but you will have to supply your home address for any deliveries and anything else they wish to courier to you. Make sure to tell the postal carrier that you are running a home-based business and that is why there is a different address on there. If you add a suite number to your address to make it appear like a business office. Tip number 4, define your office etiquette rules to your family. How will your family members be treated while you are on the phone or in a client meeting? Do you intend to set a time frame so they can anticipate your availability? Are you planning on keeping regular business hours and avoiding client meetings after those hours? Will your workspace provide a play area? If you plan on having young children around quietly, playing while you work, this is extremely vital. Tip number 5, invest in professional quality promotional products and marketing pieces. Unless you have an extremely high-end printer, avoid printing business cards from your device. Purchase business cards and pamphlets of a high caliber for contracts, letters to potential clients, and other business-related writing. It would be best if you could print up some letterhead as well. Check the output quality of the printer you are considering using if you are printing promotional items like t-shirts or clothes, coffee mugs, mouse pads, etc. Search for the greatest quality and make investments in your company instead of just price hunting. Thanks for listening, folks. Join our Facebook group, My Learning Center. Subscribe to our channel My Learning Center on YouTube and visit our website for quality ebooks, audio courses, HD video courses, and many more.